it's Hannah from the Soap Kitchen, and today we are going to be making strawberry bath truffles. So in order to complete this make, you are going to need the following ingredients. So the first step in this recipe is we are going to heat some shea butter and some cocoa butter, which you will already have weighed out. So you're going to pop it into a microwavable bowl. Pop that in the microwave for 30 seconds to 60 seconds until it's all melted. Step 2, we're going to mix your liquid. So we're going to take your fragrance oil, polysorbate and glycerin and mix them all together into a separate bowl. Okay, step 3, we are going to mix your baking soda, citric acid and cream of tartar into a bowl and then whisk. Next, we're going to add SLSA in, but just be careful and add this gradually because if it becomes airborne, it can irritate your airways a little bit. Okay, next step, we are going to add about 1/3 of your butter mixture to the dry ingredients. You want to keep mixing until you've got a bit of a cookie dough-like mixture. Okay, so once your mixture is looking like a cookie dough mixture, you are just going to take your chosen colour. If at this point you want to do multiple colours, you would split your batch and add the mica accordingly, but we are just going to do a pink colour today. So I'm going to add all of my mica and mix it in. So once you have mixed in and kneaded your colour, it is time to scoop out the mixture into bath truffle shapes and leave them to set. I am going to use a heart silicone mould just because these would make a really nice present for Mother's Day. Okay, so next step, you're going to leave your bath truffles for 1 to 3 days to dry out, and then you will demold them and they're ready to go.
Guys, so we've come back to our bath truffles. Obviously it's a different day, so they're different clothes, and we're just going to demold them and then finish them off with a little bit of mica on top. So there is your strawberry bath truffles with a little bit of glitter and mica on the top. And if you do have a go at making these, don't forget to tag us so we can see all your makes.